Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make this crazy cool heat map effect in Adobe Photoshop. It's super easy, so just follow along. Let's jump right into it. We're going to start off by grabbing our shape tool and just creating the shape we want. We can start with a square just for the demonstration, and I'm going to give it a 2-pixel stroke. We're going to duplicate our image layer and bring it on top of our shape. Now hold down the Alt or Option key, and in between the two layers you're going to see this little arrow appear. You're going to click that. This is a clipping mask. It'll clip your image to the shape below it. We can now start playing around with the effect. You can just press Command I or Control I on PC to invert the colors of your photo, and this will give you this cool effect, which is already pretty amazing. Otherwise, you can go to the Adjustments tab and add a gradient map. Click on here, and we're gonna add this sort of gradient. Press OK, and we're gonna make this into a clipping mask as well, so that it'll only affect the part that's inside the square. The basics of the effect is already done. We can obviously add more rectangles, more shapes, so I'll just start adding a bunch of shapes. Once I'm happy with all my shapes, I'll just select all of them, right-click, convert to Smart Object. The effect remains intact, but the stroke is gone. So what we're going to do is double-click on that rectangle layer and add a stroke. We're going to do the same thing, 2 pixels outside, and I'll make it white. And then just to sell the effect a little more, I'll just add a drop shadow as well. I'll then just add some final details, like with the line tool. I'll just make some lines here and there. The last element I'll add is another rectangle, this time with no stroke, and I'll click here and add a gradient to the fill. And there you have it. Super simple. You can obviously still change everything. You can change the colors if you don't want this heat map style, but if you want another style or other colors, you can just pick out the colors you want to use in your gradient maps. If you want to download some pre-made ones, I have a bunch linked in the description below, some freebies as well. But yeah, this is the basics. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any requests or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. And I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.